Hello and welcome to this new video. As you may see, I have a slightly new setup for this one because I had issues with the last couple of videos I recorded, especially with my microphone. So I purchased this new microphone and I hope the audio quality is good enough to go. Today, as part of my training, I will try to solve not an old case but a case from last year's South African Excel World Championship, which was the case provided during the finals and designed by Renier. That's not the first time I try to solve this case, but a long time has passed, so I think it will be an effective way to train. This is quite an uncommon case compared to the usual and standard cases of the Excel World Championship, but I think it will be a nice way to do some training. So in particular, I will concentrate not on speed, but maybe to approach this in the right way, simplify a little bit the approach and see if I can shortcut between the levels and find a good solution to this. Okay, having said that, basically you are provided with some numbers that you can see here in the tabs. You have lots of tabs actually, each one showing the information for a particular hotel, and in particular the number of rooms that have been booked during certain periods, dates and weeks. You also have an hotel list, you have a rooms list with the prices, calendar, and that's it. So let's try to solve this in order. So level 1 asks for hotel 01 room code A only. So I'm assuming this is the target worksheet to work with. What was the average occupancy numbers of rooms filled of the following weeks rounded to 2 decimals? Before moving on, I would copy my usual worksheet to this in order to leverage my Lambda workbook and potentially having also the helper worksheet already in place. Let's maybe zoom out a little bit. So example 1 asks for average occupancy number of rooms filled for the following weeks rounded to 2 decimals. And so 01A, week 43, which will be this, basically asking for the average. Okay, so basically it's quite simple, I guess, because that will be basically the filter of this, where this equals this, and doing an average of it. Okay, I think rounded to 2 decimals. Okay, and so this will be the round of this to 2. Fantastic. And in this case I will reference simply this, build my data table, and I think I'm basically done. Okay. Okay. Let's check against the answers. So 140.28, 140.28. So the good news is that the result is correct. But I have this heavy data table apparently calculating, and okay, it's frozen again. It's frozen again, and I don't know why. Maybe the range of the solver worksheet is too heavy. This is becoming an issue. Imagine having this kind of situation during a live battle condition. I will probably go crazy over this. Okay. think we have 100. Yes. So maybe what I could do is, first of all, to not calculate with the data table, having just 100 of this and getting rid of this. Hopefully makes more sense for Excel. Okay, let's hope so. So let's go to level 2, Limpopo hotels only. What is the total occupancy, sum of number of rooms filled for the Limpopo hotels for the following dates? So basically Limpopo will be those 3 hotels. So I need to sum 3 hotels. Okay, and the date is the 1st of October, so 09A will be the first one. Okay, the issue is I'm having the dates like provided like this. But what if I say, because I'm assuming the range is always the same, so from row C7 to E58, let's check another one. Sorry, I58. So what if I say that, sorry, is example 2. And this is a date. I have also calendar. So if I match this over the calendar, exit match. Okay, so it's date 274. I want Limpopo. So I want to do an X lookup of this. Provinces, hotels, codes. Okay. So what I X lookup this in provinces, and I want the codes, I think, because the worksheets are like that. Actually, I'm going to need a filter of codes where provinces equals this. Okay. Then I will do this and A, and same thing with B. Then I will do a 2 row of this, and then so I've said the range is actually from C7 to I58. So C7 I58. What if I do a to call of indirect of this and this? It's not working because I need the exclamation mark. Okay, so 9700 1017 210. 10 1 7 2 10 seems right. Okay, and then I need 274, so basically this is 364 values. Yes, I want a sequence of 364, and so I basically want to sum the index of this thing here. Didn't need the sequence, of course, of this, and I want the whole column. 55, yes, and so I'm going to reference this, updated the table. Hopefully this does not crash. Okay, let's copy the results, let's see if this works. 787, and that's it. Okay, let's move on to level 3. What was the average occupancy? Percentage number of rooms filled out of total available, rounded to a whole percentage for the following provinces and months. Okay, so example 3. Okay, so northwest. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing. Okay, so northwest, and I want January. Okay, here I have the dates. What if I do month of this? Okay. Because now what I would like is to in some way highlight the dates belonging to January. But what if I copy this as well here, format this as date. Okay, and then I can say something like let me add a couple of this. If month of this equals something, I need let's hope I have all the months here. No, of course not. January, February, March, April. There should be a better way to do this, but I don't know how, because I'm not used to work with dates. September, October, November, December. If this amount of this equals match this lock here, lock 0, it's 1, otherwise it's 0. Okay, in this case I should be covered for the month, And so what I want to do, so it's asking me for the average occupancy, so 43%. I probably need also the rooms available, which I hope is always before. Okay, so this will be an indirect of this and exclamation mark before. Okay. So January, at most it could have 4 hotels, which means I can have up to 8 because they have the A and B designation. Yes. So I need this to go here, getting rid of the comma. This I can take out. Okay, and at this point, what's the average occupancy? So would sum I'm not sure this will scale dynamically. Some ifs. This, where this equals 1. Of course, doesn't work. Why? Because I'm summing some empty columns. What if I sum individually? P17. Okay. Here I can do this times sum of the ones. Okay, and then I can say if error is 0, if error is 0, and say I want the sum of this, so this divided by this hopefully is my answer. Okay, run it to whole percentage. So so this 43%. Let's update. So 51, 52, but I think there are some roundings here that are playing some role, so yeah, the results are the same, it's just a rounding issue. Let's move on. What is the total revenue? Number of rooms times room cost normal rate for the following hotel and room type for the year. Premium and standard. Okay, so A is standard, B is premium. Okay, for the year. Move the microphone. Number of rooms times room cost normal rate for the year. Cost normal. Okay, so each one room type. So sleep out premium. Okay, so I can get the code and the cost. Maybe let's duplicate this. Okay, because I want to get rid of this structure here. Example 4. So sleep out. And the following question asks for the pick. Okay. So in theory is even more simple because I can have up to one hotel. So sleep out. So I can say I want the next lookup of this in hotels and codes, and that's my code. Then if this equals premium, then it's B, otherwise is A. I think that's right. Okay. And then I can filter my rooms list. So this will be, sorry, I want the cost normal, and I want the code equaling something. Times this one equally something else. So the code and the type. Okay, so that's the cost. So sleep out premium. Okay, 6288. And then the whole season, I think it's asking for. Okay, and that's it. So just one hotel. Okay, and so I would have this, and simple sum product. One 88 2864. Yes. Okay, crush it again. This is question number 4. I'm not sure that the table has been updated. 2 3 5 5 6 8 040. Yes. And then total revenues for the following hotels. So basically Fridays and Saturdays are considered peak. So let's lock this and lock this and lock this and lock this. So I'm now interested in the cost peak, which is F. Nor pick. Times weekday. Okay, 2. I'm more used to. So this. So in this case, I need to consider Fridays and Saturday, which should be 5 and 6 as weekday. So if or this equals 5, this equals 6, and it's peak, otherwise it's normal. Example 5, this is not working. Forgot to lock this. 256 and some 4 ending, so apparently it's right. Let's update and it's not updated. This is quite annoying. Oh, come on. Okay, let's check if this is correct. Okay, I'm back, and the news are I've lost everything after level 1. So that's quite annoying. Also because the model would have worked very nicely to address bonus 1 and bonus 2, while bonus 3 is linked to level 5. Because bonus 1 asks what is the average occupancy percentage for the Urban Mule for the 1st of May 2023, and that's basically for free compared to the approach I built, which day in January has the highest occupation. Maybe it needs to be built from scratch, and this which hotel has the highest revenue for quarter 3. Okay, maybe let's try to build directly for level 5. So level 5 asks the total revenue. XLOOKUP of this into hotels. Oh, I don't even have the named ranges. But anyway, if this equals standard, it's a otherwise it's B. So it will be filter of rooms list. I want the cost normal first, where the code lock equals something times the room code lock equals something, and I want this to be this one, and I want the code to be this one. GF, I think it was for the pick. Okay, and then we said that this was C7 I58, and concat of this, an indirect of this, and exclamation mark, and this, and to call. Okay, then we add the calendar. I also add the name of this, and so if or this equals Friday, or this equals Saturday. So I lost some time in building the code of the weekday. It will be pick, otherwise it will be normal. And so I think I just need to sum product this and this. So 256, yes. Now let's save this. Okay, let's update the data table, and incredible, this is crashing again. No, I don't understand why, honestly. This is quite annoying. This is hugely annoying. Then I will surrender sequence of 30 starting from 71. I will need to remove that because probably it was the issue. Let's build the table. And no way I can have the results for level 5. Or maybe yes. Maybe we've done it. So 286573. Okay. Finally we did this. Now let's go for bonus 2, which day in January has the highest occupation, denoted as year, month, and date. Which day in January has the highest occupation? So basically January will be the first 31 dates. Yes. I have exactly 17 hotels. So let's say I do a sequence of 17, A and B, and then if this less than 10, I will have 0 and this and this, otherwise this and this. To lock something, so this will be locked here, locked here, locked here, locked here. Okay, so let's say I want a 2 row of this. fantastic. It's the highest occupation. So one is this needs to be locked, and I want to take 31 rows. I'm going to sum. I want the max of this, so 303, which is here. So the 6th day, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So it will be 2023, 01, 06. Yes. And last one is which hotel has the highest revenue for Q3? Fridays and Saturdays are considered peak. Q3 will be July, August, September. Yes. So month of this. Month of this plus for this equals 7, this equals 8, this equals 9, okay, then it's 1, otherwise it's 0. Okay. This point I just need to replicate this. I want to sum product also this one. Okay, and which hotel? So I need to build another data table which has the hotel list, which is this one. Here, and I want is I want this to be referred here. But I need also the other one, because that was just the normal. So it will be the premium. Okay. 5 season has the okay. Might have different rates. Okay. Okay, like this, 580. Okay. And that should be the quarter. Okay. Okay, and so I want this plus this. I want to change the hotel, and I crashed again the spreadsheet. Okay, no, it's not true. So the max will be 1094, which is this. Yes, I remember this was right. Okay. So quite a journey, considering all the interruptions due to my Excel crashing. I hope I did a good job in editing the video to keep it as short as possible. If you've seen the video so far, thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.